Haha, Milestone Mafia.
You go the way I did. You got to understand, trick love the kids.
Doernbecher Freestyle collection just dropped over the weekend. Wonderful calls that I love to support every year. I only have one note. Can you make these in children's sizes? Please?
Turn my swag on. Take a leg in the mirror.
New day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
We're raising money for children all over the world. It's for kids.
Sounds
kids
good.
who desperately need it. It is good. You should look at it.
And you already know, humbly blessed for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears vibing to what we got going on up in here. Y'all look at me back within a week. Let's see if we can keep this streak going.
I'm gonna be good, baby. I promise. You hear me?
You don't mean that shit.
But before we go there, we got to come here. As you saw in the thumbnail and description, today we're going over the Nike x Doernbecher Freestyle Collection 2025. For 20 years now, Nike has been partnering up with Doernbecher Children's Hospital to raise awareness and support for their cause. The program gives 6 Doernbecher patients the opportunity to design a sneaker based on their own inspirations and stories.
Are you crying? Am I crying? No, I'm not crying. You're crying.
I mean, some of these designs turn into grails in the sneaker community. Yeah, those Jordan 9s right there, yeah, to me, this is the best Jordan 9 ever created. I just love seeing Nike and Jordan brand feed into the wonderment, the creativity, the inspirational optimism that these kids have. I mean, some of the designs are far out there, but you know, I ain't mad at it. But what I am confused about is how these don't come in children's sizes. Now, someone like me, I want to support, and if they came in like toddler, little kids, big kids sizes, I mean, for my kids, that's 6 automatic cops every single year. Y'all let me know, am I tripping? Am I alone in this? It gets me thinking, like, what about the friends of the children who are designing these? Like, do they get to rep their friends' designs? And I had to research this, but I'm absolutely positive, or at least I am eternally hopeful, that the kids that design these sneakers actually get a pair in their size.
You've got to do better.
So this year, out of the 6, there were 2 that caught my eye that I was like, okay, I'll rock those. All in all, you had the Jordan 6 designed by Jillian, the Sabrina 2 designed by Sophia, you had a Nike Zoom Pegasus designed by Tima, all of which I would have loved to cop for my goof troop, but I really can't see myself wearing them.
I'm a grown-ass man, dog.
Twins Air Sunder is dope too. I might spin the block for those. But the 2 I did get, let's have a look at those. The packaging is dope, and I think we're gonna have to change locations to get the full experience. All right, so we got the typical Doernbecher colors all over on this massive slide-out box, which opens up and gives a fantastic presentation. All right, so these are the Air Max DNs by Connor Fernandez. Inside the box, you get this cool card. It gives you Connor's story as well as his inspiration for the shoe. And as a matter of fact, let me just go ahead and read it to you. Paso a paso, step by step. That's how Connor Casing Fernandez approaches life's biggest challenges, like undergoing surgery and chemotherapy for his brain tumor. You'll find his personal motto in English and Spanish on the air bubble to complement the words to describe some of his favorite things. Sunrises and quesadillas made the list. And those musical notes around the upper, that's an original piano duet Connor wrote with his big sister Tess. 2 extra set of laces. I think these are the ones that's gonna make it right here. All right, so Connor's also a big fan of building blocks and has this little keychain slash gonna be a hang tag that I'm gonna put on there to go right along with the blocks that's on the laces. They go wild with the details, I'm telling y'all. Connor, my guy. These are border proof. Now, Jakai Taylor snapped on these. Little boy, 9 years old, had me waiting in line for him. So Jakai Taylor is a friendly, active kid who loves gaming, playing soccer, and filming TikTok videos about living with type 1 diabetes. Jakai's high energy personality is captured in his very own Air 180, which features reflective lightning bolts, a glow-in-the-dark outsole, and bubbly swoosh. Included with the shoes are soccer cleats which mimic decorative patches that overlay Jakai's continuous glucose monitor, a device that keeps him charged up to get the W. 2 extra set of laces, and I think we'll go 1 in each. Yeah, these 2 kids went hard in the paint with these, man. Both of these border proof. My only hope is that somehow Nike sees this and starts to make these in kid sizes, man. I would like to buy these for my kids, and I'm sure, like I said, I'm not alone on that. I'm just saying, my daughter, she's super active, just like Jakai. And my son, he loves some music, just like Connor. Like, you gotta make these in kid sizes. Kids should be able to wear these. But there we have it. What you guys think? Speaking of which, you can become a friend of mine by liking the video. Go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what you thought about it, man. Do you agree with me that these should be made in kid sizes as well? Whatever you got on your mind, just throw it down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. And of course, you could become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. Next up, I got a couple of shorts in mind, but the next time we see each other, probably for them Dion's, which are on the way. But other than that, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
I believe the children are our future. Thank you. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride.